Chetana. Welcome to Sunrays Speaks. Let us know who invented the aeroplane. Gliders were the first flying machines that were introduced during the early 19th century. Many experiments were carried out to make them power driven. The first person to make the machine was Professor Samuel Langley. He made two machines which were driven by steam engines and made successful flights. On 7th October 1903, he tested a full-sized flying machine, but it crashed. The first successful attempt was made on 17th December by two brothers named Orville and Wilbur Wright. It was heavier than air machine and was driven by its own power. They made one flight of 30 meters in 12 seconds at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. This is the story of aeroplane. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.